Game 2 of a 3-game set between the Mets and Cardinals. Bottom of the third, Paul DeJong facing Zach Wheeler, and DeJong continues his hot streak with this shot to left center. That's number 8 on the year. Cardinals touch home first. It's 1-0. Top of the 6th, Adam Wainwright looking sharp. He strikes out Zach Wheeler, then he says bye-bye to Curtis Granderson, and then he says see ya later to his Drupal Cabrera to strike out the side. Bottom of the 7th, now 2-1, Stephen Piscotty pokes a single to right. DeJong scores on the play. Cardinals grab some insurance, now 3-1. Bottom of the 8th, same score until DeJong smacks this double to left field. Alex Mejia would score on the play. Cardinals are now up 4-1, and that would be your final score. Paul DeJong goes 4 for 4 with 4 extra base hits and notches his 7th multi-hit game of his career. A good day for Adam Wainwright, 6 2/3, 1 run on 5 hits with 7 strikeouts. Zach Wheeler drops to 3 6. Series wraps up on Sunday. Steven Matz will take the hill for the Mets. He'll square off against the Cardinals' Lance Lynn.